Ambrose Weda is being interrupted when he's right on message. And Churchill Suba is wrong when he says that the principle is bad. The practice may be bad, but the principle is correct. That there is need for oversight, that there is need to establish what is happening, especially in the counties. Now, you know, Churchill Suba and gentlemen, I'd like to invite you to come to Kakamega County, and particularly to get to the point where Siaya and Kakamega converge. You don't need anybody to tell you that you are now exiting. You are now leaving Kakamega. You are now entering Siaya. The thing speaks for itself. What do you say in the law? Res
ipsa locita.
Locita.
Yes, there you go.
The thing speaks for itself. You get to a small town, called Khumutibo. It's called Khumutibo, near Emmanuel. Yeah? The small town called Khumutibo is properly tarmacked all the way to Ishiatsala, all the way to Butere, all the way to Kakamega, all the way to Kisumu, all the way to Nairobi. And the small town called Khumutibo has got water. It has got street lights. When you get there in the night, you know that you are in the one of the little up and coming urban centers. And you're not going to be hearing Governor Fernandez Baraza, who has recently arrived in Kakamega, coming up saying that so much money was stolen under the Wycliffe Oparanya regime, because there was a governor who was accountable and who did his work. Busia is dead.
Orengo said, Siaya, 400 million was withdrawn towards the last days of elections.
So there is need for oversight. The principle is correct. The details of how it is going to be implemented is a matter that we can address in the future. And a fund that is going to cater for that must be put in place. How that fund is used so that it's